Hi friends, welcome to CNR English Academy. இன்னைக்கு சண்டே ஸ்பெஷலில் ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட் பார்ட் 28 பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது யூனிட் 7ல் இருந்து ட்ராமா பார்ட். தாகூரோட முக்ததாரா, கிரீஷ் கர்னாடோட துக்லக், குருச்சரண் தாஸோட லாரின் சாஹிப். வழக்கம் போல் உங்களுக்கு இதோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கும். ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் டெஸ்ட் எழுதி முடிச்சுட்டு நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். மூவ் ஆன் டு த கொஸ்டின்ஸ். Which is the collection of lectures named by Rabindranath Tagore? Next one. The dash lines of My Golden Bengal were adopted as Bangladesh national anthem. Next one. Muktadara has been translated from Gujarat version into English by dash. Next one. In Act 1 of Muktadara, a mountainous country lead to a temple of dash. Next one. Which is the play of Tagore is the most popular and symbolical? Next one. The play starts with a dash of the finishing of the project. Next one. The drama is full of dash, not merely on modern politics. Next one. And this is about the match section and relates to Muktadara. And from A side, Uttarakut, Shivatharai, Mohan Garg, Chandapatana, Diotali. And from section B, a province on a hill, a small province ruled by Vishwajit, a town, that is where Vibhuti brings labors, a place where the flower girl belongs to. And you have to match this. Next one. Dash is the subtitle of Muktadara. Next one. Dash is the son of Amba in this play Muktadara. Next one. Dash is the foster child of Muktadara. Next one. Who termed Muktadara as the best of Tagore drama? Next one. Who is the character in Muktadara has taken nearly 25 years to complete the project? Next one. By destroying the wall of dash and enabled trade for people of Shivatharai. Next one. Dash is the brief note of Tagore published by sort of distance himself from the merely allegorical and symbolic. Next one. The modern review explaining that dash was the representation of a concrete psychology. Next one. Mention the three plays of Tagore's highly symbolic. Next one. The word dash is connected with water suggests that Muktadara is freed from dark confinement and there is joy everywhere. Next one. Mention the autobiography of Girish Karnad. Next one. Which is the film of debut as a film director of Girish Karnad and fetch him a national award? Next one. Who worked in TV series of Malgudi Days based on R.K. Narayan's? Next one. And this is about the match section which the Indian author Girish Karnad involved. Section A, he is appointed as a director in Film and Television Institute of India, Chairman Sangeet Natak Academy, worked as a director Nehru Center which is in London. And from B side, 1974 to 1975 approximate years, 1988 to 1993, 2000 to 2003. Next one. Which Indian writer worked in a science fiction thriller 24 based on the concept of time travel? Next one. Who proved the voice of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the audiobook of his autobiography Wings of Fire? Next one. In which literary movement did Girish Karnad take participation? Next one. What is the genre of Girish Karnad's? Next one. And this is about the match section, Girish Karnad's and his awards. From section A, Rajotsava Award, the Padma Shri Award, the Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Academy Award, Jnanapith Award, honorary degree which was from the University of California, Los Angeles, and here the years are 1970, 1974, 1992, 1994, 1998, 2011. Match the appropriate sections. Next one. Which work of Carnot's is an allegory and starts with ambitious idealism and ends up in disillusionment? Next one. Dash is the play of Carnot's ridicules and ironies of life through characters in Mahabharata. Next one. Who is the writer relates to boiled beans on toast? Myths in the Place of Girish Karnad is a book by Dash and it is a book by Mr. Nandakumar. இந்த நேம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ்ட் இயர் 2019 கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்லையுமே நமக்கு இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த பர்டிகுலர் புக் கிரீஷ் கர்னாடை பற்றி இவர் எழுதியிருப்பார். ஸோ த அடிஷ்னல் இன்ஃபோ ஃபார் யூ, கைண்ட்லி மேக் a note of it and then move on to the next question. The play Tughlaq comprises of dash scenes. Next one. Which Indian writer was given the Homi Bhabha Fellowship for his creative work in folk theatre? Next one. Tughlaq wanted dash to be the new capital of his empire. Next one. Aziz had disguised himself as a Brahmin named Dash and filed a suit against the Sultan. Next one. In which scene of Tughlaq is playing chess? Next one. To whom the post of governor of Deccan offered by Tughlaq? Next one. Girish Karnad presented dash as a symbol in Tughlaq. Next one. Dash is the component of the play and improves the theatrical benefit. Next one. Which tax was accused on Muslims and Hindus were exempted from it? Next one. Dash is the character looks like Tughlaq in the play. Next one. Who advises Ziauddin Barni to keep Tughlaq away from the company of foolish advisors and counselors? Next one. And this is about the match section relates to Tughlaq. From A side, Aziz, Azam, Nazib, Ainul Mulk, Ratan Singh, and from B side, a shrewd man, friend of Aziz, an advisor and confidant of Tughlaq, childhood friend of Tughlaq, adopted brother of Shihabuddin. Next one. Dash is a very effective symbol of hypocrisy, role playing and also imitation. Next one. Who is the Indian novelist and a regular columnist in the Times of India? Next one. Which is the work of Gurucharan Das presented as an Edinburgh festival in the year 1991? Next one. Laran Sahib was awarded Dash Prize in the year 1968. Next one. Dash is the combination of history, realism, comedy and tragedy. Next one. Which state of India is relates to the setting of the play Laran Sahib? Next one. In which river bank that the Governor General's camp is situated in Laran Sahib? Next one. And this is the match relates to Laran Sahib. From section A, King of Punjab, Governor General, Secretary of Governor General, Lal Singh, Sher Singh, Zubeda Begum, Curie. And from section B, Ranjit Singh, Lord Hardinge, H.M. Eliot, the Wazir, advisor of Lawrence, Rani Jindal, who is in disguise, agent of Lahore, who was appointed temporarily. Next one. One-eyed lion is the phrase relates to dash. Next one. Who was the former CEO of Procter & Gamble of India? Next one. In which scene of Laran Sahib shows clearly how Lal Singh and Tej Singh were responsible for the defeat? And the last one. Henry Lawrence is appointed as the dash in the court of Dalip Singh. ஸோ அப் டு திஸ் உங்களுக்கு இந்த டெஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் முடியுது. ரிகார்டிங் டு பிடிஎஃப்ஸ், அதாவது நீங்கள் கேட்டுட்ருக்கீங்க 6th யூனிட்டுக்கும் 7th யூனிட்ஸ்க்கும் பிடிஎஃப் வேணும்னு சொல்லி இன்கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இருக்கிறதுனால தான் நம்ம வந்து பிடிஎஃப்ஸ் வந்து கொடுக்க முடியல. ஸோ நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி சொன்ன மாதிரி இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு டாபிக் தான் இருக்குது. காமன்வெல்த் லிட்ரேச்சர் முடிஞ்ச உடனே உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே பிடிஎஃப்ஸு கிடச்சிரும். அதுக்குள்ளவே நமக்கு வந்து எக்ஸாம் டேட்ஸுமே அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ நான் ரொம்ப டைம்லாம் எடுத்துக்க போகிறதில்ல. உங்களுக்கு ஆஸ் இயர்லி ஆஸ் பாசிபிள் எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமாக உங்களுக்கு வந்து யூனிட் 7 முடிக்க முடியுமோ, அதாவது காமன்வெல்த் லிட்ரேச்சர் அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய போயட்ரி, ட்ராமா அண்ட் ப்ரோஸ் அண்ட் ஃபிக்ஷன் செக்ஷன் முடிச்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 7th யூனிட் வந்து ஹிடன் டாபிக்ஸோட நிறைய இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து கிடச்சிடும். ஸோ நான் ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமாகவே பிடிஎஃப்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். அதோட டேரிஃப்ஸ் அந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து கம்யூனிட்டியில் வர மாதிரி நான் சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ அப் டு திஸ் ஐ கன்க்ளூட். இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல வீடியோவில் உங்களை நான் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.